All right, y'all, welcome back. It's all right. I just detailed this car, cleaned the inside. I still gotta wipe down the leather, wipe the outside. I still also need to wipe down the wheels because they are still dirty. So I gotta go through that. Just cleaned off the weather mats. What we're gonna do today is actually install a lip, an eBay lip. So this is basically the lip that everyone puts on a Q50 or Q60. I think they make this lip pretty much for any car. You can put this on a Civic, you can put it on the Lexus. This is the go-to. This is actually the third one. First one, basically I didn't install it right, exploded on the freeway. Second one was dangling and my wife did something and came off. I bought this car for my wife, so this is her car, that's my car, that's my daily, and then the other cars are at the other houses. So yeah, so I'm gonna open this up, we'll see what it looks like. I've been having this for a year, have not installed it just because that's how busy I've been. So let me open this up and we'll see what's in the box. So hopefully it even fits, I haven't even checked. So it comes with these screws. I don't recommend you use these. These are trash. Just get the self-tappers that are about that same length, which I have a jar sitting on the counter. This is a 3-piece, so it basically just fit all three together like Legos and bolt it on. There's already holes, so I'm just gonna hand tight it on. It'll be easy. I do put 3M tape to secure it, just so it has somewhat when the wind hits it, because it's not a real splitter for aerodynamics. It's just for style. So I think I got this for the cost like $50-something, which is my third one. This is damn it. Okay, so they sent the fake carbon fiber looking one. I technically wanted just the clear plastic black ones, but that's alright, we'll make it work. So this is the front. You know, let me take it out of the bag, I'll set it up and show you guys. Alright, so as you can see, it's a 3-piece. This is the center, 1, 2, and 3. Basically, they already have like drill points. The little circles are on the sides where we'll be screwing it in. Like I said, it's eBay. It's just cheap. And anyone who says that this is carbon fiber, this is not carbon fiber. It should not be plastic on the bottom. It should have some type of resin, fiberglass, or something that with the carbon weave on top. So this is the fake carbon. But like I said, it's my wife's car, and you know, in the car world, guys don't judge girls with fake carbon. They actually try to holler at them. And don't tell me you're lying, because I know a lot of suckers are doing that stuff. You're talking all that crap when a guy has some fake carbon or a wrap, but when a girl does it, y'all don't say nothing. So that's why it's okay for my wife to rock this, because I know you guys ain't gonna say nothing bad to her. So all right, so I'm gonna slap this on, show you guys the mounting. I'm gonna test fit it real quick to make sure it is the correct size, because I did buy one once and it was too short. So hopefully this one will fit the base. This is the base bumper, not the sport bumper. This is a Q50 all-wheel drive non-sport model. It's just the all-wheel drive, but it has sport mode, just not the, and it's not the turbo model, it's a 3.7. So let me test fit, make sure it is good, and then we'll install it. All right, so it looks like it's gonna fit. This corner end has a 10 mil that goes right in here, right there. So 10 mil. As you can see, this is not going to fit. The point where they have the hole. So I'm gonna drill out to make the 10 mil fit in there, and then we'll use this as the base to start the putting in. And the other one broke, so my wife just kind of like snapped it off, but we still have like some screws hanging over there, so we're gonna probably take off and or reuse it if we can. So like I said, cheap lip, all for style. This has no performance whatsoever. It's not based for aerodynamics, it's just style points. So let me get this mounted. I'll do the first one to show you guys. Just gonna drill a hole, and then we'll get this going. Alright, so first mount point on the corner, it's actually perfect. So far this is actually the best fitting corners that I had. This part will go here, like so. Then I've mounted to those 2 points. This part will go here. So all the Mustang Chargers I drive by, when they drive by my house, they always rev up. But if I'm outside, they always drive calmly. So, and they never rev up when the purple car's here. So, when you see the RBS 13, nobody revs up, because actually if you do, I go to your front of your house and I do burnouts. Do some donuts around your house if you do that and disrespect my house. So, ever since I did that to one person with a Scat Pack that lives down the street, he has never messed with my ever again. So yeah, don't do that. So same thing at this point, take it off. And you can see the broken tip here. This is my wife. That's alright. Eventually we'll probably end up trading this and getting a Chevy Silverado truck so I can tow the drift car. Don't have to borrow someone's car or rent a U-Haul. So, gotta get a trailer to tow it and mount my drift spares. But yeah, so let me get this off and get that one mounted up. And second point. So got both corners on. Now let's really test to see if this centerpiece is gonna fit. Which it just pops. There's two of these little tabs that go right in those slots. Very insulation. I said, if you're not a car mod guy, and see, there you go, it fits. So basically I'm going to put 2 screws there, or 2 self-tappers, which is, I'm using these ones. So they're a little bit longer, so they're going to be secure in there. So 2, 1, 1, 2, done. Very, very simple installation, guys. The only screws you want to use from this, these cheapy screws are the short ones here. Those actually go and hold the mounts of these ones right here. So I'm gonna screw 2 there, 2 the ones that came in that bag, 1 self-tapper, another self-tapper, 2 self-tapper, done with the lip. So let me do those real quick and we're done with the video basically. So here we go.
B, Machine, J, Digi, check.
All done. Lip is on the Q50. Very simple, very cheap. I know a lot of people don't make a lot of money, so this is something that's very affordable for somebody who, you know, doesn't have a lot. Like for the Lexus, that's like a $1,200 lip, paint without paint. That Civic lip actually is almost a $500 lip. So people that, you know, if you work and you can afford, you know, something that's name brand, here you go. You can start off with something very simple, easy. I was using hand tools, but got lazy. It's possible to use hand tools. So I just put some bricks ran up a little bit up on the ramp just so I can get my drill gun. So I'll show you the points. You got 1 right there, 2. Alright y'all, thanks for hanging out with me, sawing my wife's lip on her Q, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Clean up all this mess now. So I gotta get this ruckus registered and get under my name, get a maintenance done on it, and then eventually I'm gonna sell this as well. This only has 100 miles on it. So, alright guys, see you guys in the next video. Easy installation for those who, you know, are on a budget but want to do nice things. And I know a lot of people have a Q, and I know you guys are working hard to pay those payments. So, a little style for you guys. Alright y'all, peace.